Hey, folks, and welcome to week 17, finals week here. Okay, this is the very end of the course. The first thing to note here is things are not due Monday. They are due on Friday, December 13th. Once that box closes, it will not reopen. Okay, I will be spending the weekend doing the grading, so you guys obviously can't turn stuff in Monday because my grades are due Monday morning. Okay. My goal is to have little other than your final essays to handle at that point. So, for Friday, December 13th, I want you to view the sample 4 essay draft right here, or final draft, excuse me, which is right here, so you can see sort of how it progressed from last week to this week. There's a place to submit your essay for final after you've gone through the peer review process. You've gotten feedback from me and made any changes you need to make. That's right here. Do note, so it's due December 13th at 11 a.m. 11 a.m. as always. That box will close at noon, and you will not be able to submit anything after that point. Okay. Do not try to submit it at 11:59. If your clock is off and it's late, and you can't submit it, it's just not there. Okay. Make sure it's submitted by 11. That way, if it comes in at 11:01, we're okay. You've got some breathing room, but do not try to push this until noon. Okay. Then right here, there's a quick link to the English 102 Assessment Project survey. This is just asks you to do a few quick things, and it's a way for us to check to see how your research skills have built. And this is not tied to you as an individual, but to the class and actually to all 102 students as a whole. So we're just trying to get a sense of whether or not what we do in the classroom, or in this case online with you guys, is working. So if you could do that, it'd be a huge help to me. I will give you homework credit for doing it. And then the final survey just asks a few questions. Again, totally anonymous there. Okay. It's been a really great semester. Thank you so much for all of your hard work. If you've got any questions this week, don't hesitate to let me know. I will still be here to help.